Hi everyone! This is your teacher Leo here in Thailand, and itong video na ito ay mag ano so anong tawag doon? Magta-try nga tayo ng food na ngayon ko lang matitikman. So hindi ko alam kung anong food to. Ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Ganito nga siya. So 30 pesos, ay 30 pesos, 30 baht ito, guys. At sa tingin ko, hindi ko alam kung ano to. I don't know what is this. To those who knows this food, then you can tell me, okay? To my students who are always watching my videos, okay, tell me what is this. So let's try to taste it. Crunchy. Roymak. If I will rate this, 10 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. I think it's 8. It's good. Tastes good. Yummy. It has cheese. Masarap. Crunchy. Okay. Yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. Bye-bye.